Hello students, Happy New Year to all of you. So today we will be starting with our new lesson, that is some natural phenomena. Some natural phenomena. Some natural phenomena are cyclones, lightning, earthquakes, etc. So about cyclones, you have already studied in class 7th. And in this lesson, we will be studying about two destructive natural phenomena, that is lightning and earthquakes. So what is lightning? Lightning is streaks of bright light and sound caused by electric discharge between clouds and earth or between different clouds. It is caused by the accumulation of charges in the clouds. So when positive and negative charges in the clouds, they interact with each other, they collide with each other, they produce a spark which is seen as lightning. And the air between the charges gets burnt up due to heat produced by the collision of charges. And that burnt up air is producing crackling sound. So crackling sound is produced when air between the charges got burnt up due to heat produced by the collision of charges. So that sound we hear as thunder. Now another natural phenomenon is earthquake, which is also very destructive, and it is a sudden shaking or trembling of the earth caused by a disturbance deep inside the earth's crust and movement of earth plates. So when there is disturbance inside the earth's crust, and this earth's crust is not as a whole, it is divided into different plates. So movement of these earth plates, either brushing past or their collision, leads to shaking of the earth's crust, and it results in a disastrous earthquake. So lightning and earthquakes cause a lot of damage to human life, animal life, and property. So here in the pictures you can easily see, first picture is of lightning and another picture is of destructive earthquake. Some other examples of natural phenomena include volcanic eruptions, weather, and decay. Most natural phenomena such as rain are relatively harmless as far as human beings are concerned. So here in the picture you can see some other natural phenomena. So volcanic eruptions, cyclones, lightning, these are destructive. On the other hand, rain, it is a natural phenomena, most common natural phenomena, which is beneficial to human beings for irrigation purpose, for drinking water. Okay, now our next part is, so these natural phenomena are divided into two categories: meteorological phenomena and geological phenomena. So there are various types of natural phenomena which include meteorological phenomena. So in meteorological phenomena comes hurricanes, thunderstorms, tornadoes, storms, cyclones. All these come under meteorological phenomena. And tsunami is also meteorological phenomena. On the other hand, geological phenomena include volcanic eruptions and earthquakes. So geological, it is related to earth. When there is some disturbance in the earth or heat comes out of earth in the form of volcano, it is known as volcanic eruptions. And when movement of plates is there, it is known as earthquakes. And meteorological, that is related to weather, and geological, that is related to earth. So volcanic eruptions, earthquakes come under geological phenomena. So these are all destructive natural phenomena. So in the picture you can easily see volcano and hurricane. So thank you students. Up to here we have studied that two major categories of natural phenomena are meteorological and geological phenomena, and in the next video we will be studying about lightning in some detail. So till then, take care, goodbye, see you in next video. Thank you.